going to discuss a dialogue. After discussing, I will call you by twos to come to the stage and discuss and practice the dialogue. We can make question both the way, using auxiliary verbs and using double words. When we make a question using auxiliary verbs, your answer will be yes or no. But when you make a question using double words, your answer will not be yes or no. You must use one word or more than one word, or one sentence or more than one sentences. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Such as, are you Sarah?
No.
The question is made auxiliary verbs are. So your answer will be yes or no. No or yes. But if you add some things, you can add. Yes, if you say yes, yes, I am. No, I am not. And you may say your Dutch name. I am Ikram. When you understand that is Ikram your friend? Oh, thanks. You're welcome. Where are you from? I'm from Bhagalpur. Where are you from? Look at me. First one asks, where are you from? The normal way. But second one, where are you from? He or she tries on you. Where are you from? So first, if you ask, where are you from? Next one will say, where are you from? I'm from Wazirpur. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Bye bye. Bye. Understand?
Yes, sir.
From now you have to practice a dialogue every day. Just when the students come here and all the students are seated on the bench and there is no scope to sit down, your friends coming here and stand. He is standing to sit and is watching to sit down, but there is no scope to sit down. Then he may ask, please would you move a bit? No, there is no seated. There is 4 students there. And if you have, yes, of course, why not? Thank you. And again you ask, that is every day with 2 persons have to make a dialogue every day. It will be helpful for you to fluent in English. Understand? Okay. Now I'm going to call upon my 2 students. They will come here to the stage and practice this dialogue. When you say, you must say nearly, the nearest of your lip. The students who come late, please sit down, please, and listen to me say. I am going to say again. This is dialogue. After some time, you must come here to practice the dialogue. First one will say, are you Sarah? No, I'm not. I'm Ikra. Oh, thanks. You're welcome. Where are you from? I'm from Samjugla. Where are you from? I'm from Bhagalpur. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Bye bye. Bye. In this way, you must make a dialogue. Understand? Now I'm going to call upon 2 students to come here and practice the dialogue. First 2, 1, come here. You must say loudly.
Are you Sarah? No, I'm not. I'm Ritika. Oh, thanks. You are welcome. Where are you from? I'm from Bhagalpur. Where are you from? I'm from Sharator. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Bye bye. Bye.
Thank you. Next two. এই প্রথম তো তুমি প্রশ্ন করো যে where are you from? এটা তো তুমি কোথা থেকে এসেছো? আমি কথা পেজ এখানে কি বলবে where are you from? এদিকে তো জোর দিবা কারণ প্রথম তো বলছে where are you from? তুমি কোথা থেকে এসেছো? তুমি কোথা থেকে আসছো? where are you from? এর জোর দিবে বুঝছো? এই নেক্সট ওরে আসো।
Are you Sarah? Oh, thanks
Anbu.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Next two. Quickly.